Imagine residing in a city where water and sewer services are easily accessible to all. How is this possible? Cities expand their utility services through strategic methods. Today, we will examine how cities succeed in this and the role of bonds. Cities are always evolving. An increase in residents leads to greater demand for fundamental services. To address this demand, cities must devise a plan for expansion. This is where utility expansions play a critical role. First, cities pinpoint areas needing enhanced services. They evaluate existing infrastructure, population growth, and future demands. These evaluations help prioritize regions that need upgrades. Once the need is determined, cities calculate the associated costs. This includes expenses related to construction, labor, and materials. It's crucial for this estimate to be accurate. This accuracy guarantees efficient use of funds. Next, cities seek financing for these initiatives. A common approach is issuing bonds. Bonds function as loans that cities acquire from investors. Investors provide funds in return for future payments with interest. This offers immediate capital for construction projects. The city then allocates the bond money to start construction. This could involve laying new pipes or constructing treatment facilities. As projects advance, the city keeps residents informed about the improvements. Following construction, cities evaluate utility costs for residents. New fees reflect the upgraded services. However, an important aspect should be noted. New homeowners inherit these assessment balances, effectively treating it as a tax. This implies that new buyers need to factor utility costs into their home purchases. While this might seem like an extra burden, it ensures that everyone contributes to city development. In summary, cities expand utility services through careful assessments and bond issuance. These processes facilitate efficient funding for critical infrastructure. Residents gain from enhanced services, while newcomers must understand the inherited assessments. If you found this information useful, please share this video with others. Let's spread awareness about the ways in which our cities prosper.